How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today I have a very interesting care package. GM, Chevy, basically Chevy, sent it to me, and I want to show you all what's inside of it. Basically, it's called their Truck Legacy Program. You sign your truck up, you tell them how many Chevys you've owned, give a description of the truck, and you post it online for a community to share and look at each other's trucks, stuff like that. So I signed up for it. They accepted my application, and they sent me a really cool goodie bag, which I'll show you all right now. They sent me in this really cool box. It has Truck Legacy since 1918. It's got all kinds of Chevy Silverado logos on it all throughout the years. K5, 4x4 Silverado, or that's his, well, Chevy Silverado, HD, Custom Deluxe, 1500, and all that good stuff. So when you open the package, it comes with these really cool, like it's like almost like a card deck, but it's kind of not. It goes throughout the timeline of the Chevy. You got the 1 ton that had 36 horsepower. Then you got the International LD, 146 horsepower. The half ton, 78 horsepower. The 3100 series, which made 78 horsepower. Camo Carrier, which made 123 horsepower. Dang. C10 Fleet Side, 153. C30 1-ton dually, 155. The K1500 Sports Side, which at the time, this one made 185 horsepower. So I think mine's at 230 something and 96. Then 99, the Round Eye, the Silverado 1500, which made 270. The 2007 newer body style, which made 315. That's all the cars they have. So that's really one cool thing they have with this group. This thing is different trucks throughout the ages. Of course, they give you decals. So we got just normal stickers. You made to 100,000 miles. Mine's 200,000 miles because of because my truck has over 200,000 miles on it. It says, "Dear Joshua, congratulations! You and your truck are now Chevy Truck Legends. To welcome you, we're enclosed a one-of-a-kind hat and decals to let you proudly show your family, friends, you're a member of an exclusive community as an opportunity to celebrate loyalty and dependability as well as passion for Chevy trucks from the family to most dependable, longest-lasting full-size pickups on the road. Stay tuned for exciting news about upcoming benefits events for Truck Legend members. On behalf of the entire Chevy truck team, welcome to Truck Legends. Paul Edwards, Vice President of Chevy Marketing." They probably give this out to everybody. Then this really cool decal section right here, you put how many Chevy trucks you've owned. Of course, I've only owned one so far, but you know, that kind of stuff. So underneath all that is the coolest thing, I think, is you get your own, like I need more hats anyways, your own personal Chevy Truck Legends hat. You can either order one of these on their website or you get them when you sign up for their thing. This is super freaking cool. I love it. It's gonna go right next to the Honda hat that's in my truck. So we'll put this in the right next to it. And there we go. So now I've got my Honda hat and the Truck Legends hat from Chevy. That's really cool. I want to thank Chevy so much for sending this out to me. I know a lot of people are getting this because they're signing up for the program if you get accepted into it. You know, all that fun stuff. But it's really cool though that Chevy's doing this, kind of like a loyalty program, like benefits that since you've owned a Chevy for, or how many Chevys you've owned and stuff like that. I've owned this truck. It'll be 4 years in July I've owned this truck. And you know, I don't ever plan on getting rid of it or whatnot. So Chevy, if you're watching this, thank you so much for your hospitality. It's freaking awesome. I don't know if Ford or Ram does something similar to this. I could be wrong. I don't think they do, but I could be wrong, guys. But it's really cool seeing that Chevy's caring about their fan base and their customer base so much. I want to thank them so much for that. I just want to share that with you all. If you all have a Chevy, make sure you sign up for the program. Just type in the Google search Chevy Truck Legends or Truck Legends Chevy or something like that. It's really freaking cool. So I want to thank you all so much for watching this short little video. If you like the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Join the Trucks and Water family. We're constantly growing, changing, and trying new and better things. I hope you all have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.